than our presidential candidate, the man in waiting. Please, President Peter Gregory Obi.
I tell them to remain calm. It is the same enemies that are fighting us that are fighting the party. It is for us. It's not going to be easy. From day one, I said it's not going to be an easy fight. They're trying to remove all those who have lived off this confusion for years. They're not going to go away laughing. They're going to fight back. It will take time. Whatever happens, we must stay the course. Because we want to build a new Nigeria. We want a Nigeria where Nigerians will be proud to say they're Nigeria. I'm a Nigerian, committed Nigeria. I don't have any dual nationality. So this is my own country. And I've said it that even if there's war outside this country, if I'm outside, I'll come back because it's my country. So I'm committed to it and I want them to be committed for it. It is those people that are fighting us collectively who win.
Well, Your Excellency, concerning the embattled national chairman, would you say that you recognize him as the chairman, irrespective of what the court has said recently?
I'm not remember what I said, the case is in court. I have to respect that, but it remains my own man.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much.